Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to seal the rim of your snow globe cup. This is a 16 ounce. So you have your cup, and then you're going to want to get a syringe, and you want to get these really long little tubes. These are used to feed like animals and stuff, but they work great for this, putting the resin in. So before, I used to just pour the wet resin in and it would like leave like this line down the cup. And so the purpose of this is just putting the resin inside of here, and it goes all the way down. So that way you have no mess and it doesn't cure to the side of the cup. So I'm gonna put this down. Feed it through just like that. And I'm going to put some resin inside there. You can use any resin you want. You just want to put enough to just fill that hole, the gap down there. And now I'm just going to take my syringe and just gently syringe it through. See how it's already coming out? Like, this is a little hard, I'm not gonna lie. There we go. That was super easy. I saw somebody else do this. Can't remember who I saw do it. And I was like, oh my god, that's literally so genius. So it's all in there now. And you're just gonna gently, okay, so how am I there? Just do it really quick. So I took it out. Now what you do is you just turn the cup like this, and all of the resin will make its way around the cup. That's basically what you do. I'll be right back. So now you see it's all around the rim, and if you want, this personal preference, personal choice, you can take a heat gun. And so for example, where is it? There's a little bubble right there. There's one over here, I think. You just blast it for a few minutes and then they pop. So I'll show you right here. Hold on. Sometimes it takes a few minutes. You want to be careful. You don't want to make the plastic too hot. This one's being really stubborn. Hold on. Okay, so I can't get these ones out for some reason, so we're just going to leave it. It's barely noticeable. Now we're going to cure it on my resin lamp. So this is how you would cure it. You can use any light you want. I'm just using a regular UV resin curing light. And I like to do it this way because it really helps get the resin to cure. And that is it. That's all you do.